in the highly publicized legal battle between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. Previously, private messages exchanged by Heard have drawn renewed attention not just for their emotional intensity, but because they shed light on what she was seeking from the relationship, both personally and materially. During the defamation trial in Fairfax County, Virginia, love notes and journal entries written by Heard to Depp were introduced as evidence. In these intimate writings, she expresses deep passion and longing, but also reveals more transactional demands. One journal entry from May 2015, presented in court, reads, "True love isn't just about the madness of passion or instead picking the safety of peace. No, it's about having both. I still, perhaps more than ever, want to rip you apart, devour you, and savor the taste. You are my life. I hate it when we fight. I love you more than anything." These words, romantic and raw, paint a picture of Heard's emotional dependence on Depp, but beneath the poetry, there were practical demands too. According to court documents and legal filings from their divorce, Heard requested substantial financial support. She initially sought $50,000 per month in spousal support, citing the high cost of maintaining a luxurious lifestyle. Medium Plus One Depp's legal team contested this, arguing that she was attempting to secure a premature financial resolution by alleging abuse. Vanity Fair Plus One, their divorce was eventually settled in August 2016, with Depp agreeing to pay $7 million, part of which he pledged toward her legal fees. The financial aspect of her demands has been the subject of fierce debate. Critics have called some of her actions blackmail, citing a contentious letter Heard sent during divorce negotiations. Depp's camp viewed it as an attempt to force his hand. The Guardian Plus One, but Heard and her legal team denied these claims. Her lawyer stated publicly that the blackmail allegations were absolutely and unequivocally false, insisting that she simply wanted a fair settlement and the means to live independently, beyond money. Heard's personal messages reflect something more complex, a yearning for validation, love, and stability. In private texts she sent to her mother, Heard lamented that Depp could be violent and crazy, yet also described him as "who I love." Sky News. During one dark moment she told her mother, "I feel like I'm on a very fast train that's about to explode, but I don't want to jump off and leave my love behind." Sky News. These texts speak to a profound emotional conflict. She was aware of his volatility, but remained deeply invested in him. Her emotional dependence is also evident in her love notes. In more than one entry she refers to Depp as her cornerstone, my heart, my all. 9 Celebrity Plus One. She even apologizes after fights, saying, "None of this is meant to be an excuse for hurting you. You are the last thing in the whole world who deserves it. I love you, Steve. I am so forever yours." The Independent. She used Steve and Slim as affectionate nicknames for him. During the defamation trial, Depp's team argued that these messages were part of a larger strategy, suggesting that Heard alternated between idealizing Depp when it suited her and making serious allegations when she stood to benefit financially. Her counter was that her relationship with Depp was genuinely volatile, that she oscillated between love and fear, as she claimed in her testimony. Time. Indeed, Heard later testified that she still loved Depp despite everything. TME. Her private writings also include what some described as blackmail-like language. According to the UK court documents from Depp's previous libel trial, she signed a draft letter during their divorce negotiations that used strong, hyperbolic language demanding his financial support. Courts and tribunals. Judiciary critics saw it as coercive, while Heard's defenders argued that she was simply asserting her legal rights after years of alleged abuse. Legally, Heard's demands weren't entirely off base, because the couple did not have a prenuptial agreement. She had some claim to his income and property. Wikipedia. But her monthly support request was denied, and in the final settlement no ongoing spousal support was awarded. Her compensation was limited to the lump sum and legal costs. From a psychological angle, Heard's private messages suggest she wanted 3 things from Depp: passion, security, and safety. Passion was evident in her romantic, sometimes even violent metaphors: rip you apart, devour you. Security appeared in her financial demands and desire to maintain a certain lifestyle. Safety, though, was more ambiguous. Her texts to her family convey that she felt both emotionally unsafe because of Depp's alleged unpredictability and trapped by her own love for him. After the courts, the world saw a public figure torn between vulnerability and self-interest. In interviews post-trial, Heard has said she has no ill will toward Depp and still harbors love for him, even while defending her actions. Vanity Fair. In some, Amber Heard's private messages to Johnny Depp paint a portrait not of a one-dimensional villain or victim, but of a conflicted partner. She desired a deeply romantic connection, but also demanded financial recognition and protection. Whether those demands were born of genuine need, strategic leverage, or some mix of both remains hotly disputed, just as their entire relationship is disputed in the court of public opinion. Buddies, I hope you all are doing well. Please, friends, subscribe the channel and share with your beloved ones. I wish you best of luck. Wishing you excellent time ahead and have a nice day, friends. I will see you next time.